Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vik and I'm here to give you a energy update today. So we are going to see what energy is coming your way in the month of September, and I think we should do a pick a card reading for that, so the answer or the messages are really specific. So all you need to do to receive your pick a card reading is choose from these cards. You can choose the number 1, the number 2, or the number 3. Just take a deep breath if you are conflicted, and I'm going to begin the reading now. So, for those who have chosen the number 1, I feel that the month of August is going to be extremely busy for you, and month of September is going to be extremely busy for you. And I do feel that a lot of work, a lot of opportunities will be coming your way. For some people, I'm specifically seeing that maybe you will be creating something new, or you might be using your creativity a lot. You might be using your you know your skills that have been dormant since some time. You will be using a lot of just a lot of positivity and a lot of love to create whatever you truly desire. I also see for some people that you need to go into a little bit of hermit mode this month. I feel that if you have been giving out a lot of energy to other people, then this is the time that you need to go within. You need to meditate, you need to visualize what you truly want for your future. I think a lot of your manifestations are going to be coming through very soon. I'm also seeing like this hand over here. So this hand imprint is making me feel like you are going to make your mark. Like if that has been in your mind, you are definitely going to make your mark very soon, sooner than you realize. And I'm also seeing like, I don't know, like a lot of fire energy. Now this could represent somebody who makes candles, or this could represent just you being passionate about what you truly do. So I hope that you could relate to this message. I'm going to be moving on to number 2 now. So for those who have chosen the number 2, I just feel like your whole vibe of the month of September is going to be emotional balance and prosperity. Like I just feel that emotionally there's a lot of things that you need to heal. I think that somewhere you have not given this area of your life a lot of priority, and the month of September is going to be bringing a lot of positivity, a lot of heart chakra clearing your way. Like I'm just feeling this like water energy around you, like maybe waterfalls are significant to you, or maybe you're a water sign, but I do see that water has a lot of role to play in your life right now. The fish, like the queen of vessels, has a lot to do with, like, you balancing yourself. Like I'm just feeling that go slow. Like don't rush into any commitment, don't rush into anything right now. Just take your time with things. So now I'm going to be moving on to number 3, and I am just feeling for these people. Like I'm going to pull one more clarifier, and I am just feeling that for people who have chosen the number 3, you have a lot of cords that need to be cut, or a lot of unhealthy patterns that you need to release this month. Like I feel that, or you have already done it, like because we see like this one snake that has escaped this drama, this negativity. I do feel like a lot of cord cutting is needed for you. You need to emotionally let go and release a lot of trauma. Or if you have been already doing this, then the universe is reassuring you that you are on the right track. I also pulled out this card, and it's like the spirit animal of hawk, and I'm just feeling this energy that maybe somebody is watching over you. Now this could be an ancestor, or this could be, frankly, for some people I'm also sensing like the energy of an ex, like maybe somebody is stalking you a bit. And I just feel that or maybe you are stalking somebody. So I'm just getting that like I feel you should proceed with caution. Like I don't know why, but this message is just coming to me very strongly. You need to be very careful about your next step, and I just think that a lot of releasing and healing is coming your way. I'm going to be pulling out one card because I don't know, I feel like this the people who have chosen the number 3, a lot of things have been happening for you. So yeah, finally I think a positive card has come. Like I'm getting this energy of reunion and like 6 of vessels. So I'm just getting that you need to fill your cup first. Like you need to recharge yourself, you need to take care of your mental health, and I do feel like a lot of changes are coming your way, but for the better. Like, I feel that you will be reconnecting with your inner self very soon, and I think that the universe is just asking you to prioritize yourself first. So I hope that you guys could relate to these readings. Thank you so much for watching. I also offer personal readings, so if you ever want to book a phone call or a video call reading, then you can leave a comment below, and there's a lot of Instagram details also mentioned on my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and very grateful for you guys.